Hi guys, this is Lauren from Tide Robotics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to resample your test data. So as you may know, our Pro flight stands have a sampling rate of 1000 Hz. This sampling rate gives you great resolution and real-time data, but you may not always want to analyze that many data points, so we give you the option to resample it. So in order to do so, the first thing is to click on your test and head on over to the Export tab, where you'll see a table with all your data points. If you want to download it in full resolution, you can select that option, and this will give you quite large files with very precise data. But if you'd like to resample it, click here, and the default is to provide a sample at every 0.1 seconds, so 10 per second. But if you want to have 100 per second, for example, we can adjust the resampling rate. If you want 50 per second, same thing. And you can really put in whatever value you want here. It is really customizable. The only limitation is that you can't increase the sampling rate above the limits of your test stand. Once you've chosen the sampling rate you'd like, just go ahead and click Export to CSV, and that'll save the test to your computer.